the legendary players of my city, who we have just exported to Cuttack, and he's gonna be playing there as well. Other than we have Savage as well, a very interesting addition to this team, and Exofurious. If I talk about them, it's gonna be really tough. मुश्किल जरूर रहने वाला है, but they are starting on the defender side, so it's gonna be helping them a little bit. केजे का सेटअप हमें बी पे ही आते हुए दिख रहा है. Oh, that flash is gonna be very interesting. Punisher takes the first kill and it is gonna be Savage. Savage को यहाँ पे टेक डाउन कर दिया गया है, but Bunty on the other hand, he goes on towards A side. A side को completely खाली कर दिया गया है. There is a over rotation coming up from the side of Exofurious. Two players holding on towards market. केजे का सेटअप ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे आते हुए, but Bunty is just cracking the defense open. यहाँ पे केजे के टरेट को भी टेक डाउन कर दिया गया है. Bunty with third kill and instantly the side is now open for action. Market से एक प्लेयर को स्पॉट किया गया था. Bunty on the fourth kill, just one player remaining, taken down. A beautiful round indeed. Bunty came like a bouncer there. चार प्लेयर को टेक डाउन करने के बाद ए साइड से यहाँ पे ओपनिंग निकाली गई थी. बंटी, यस, ही इज रेना, बट रेना लर्किंग इज समथिंग आई गेस we did not see often, and that is the only one flash they have right now. And still ऐसे मिड पे यहाँ पे टेक करने की कोशिश, बट पनिशर, ओ पनिशर, गुड पोजीशन. देयर इज अ फुल स्पाई कमिंग अप एज वेल. Going on forward, has a good position, spots Astra, goes back instantly, but Bunty once again creates the space for his team. सिटी के प्लेयर को अभी तक स्पॉट नहीं किया गया है. पनिशर डूइंग अ वंडरफुल जॉब. बंटी एक और प्लेयर को टेक डाउन किए जाएंगे, बट एस्ट्रा फाइनली टेक्स डाउन पनिशर. बोथ रिमेनिंग प्लेयर्स आर इन टुवर्ड्स मिड. Oh, spotted! A wonderful shot as well. Finally, डैडी यहाँ पे बंटी को टेक डाउन करने में कामयाब हो चुके हैं. There's still two players standing from both of this side. एक और player spotted, but oh, Von Vic takes a player down. Astra is the last player standing. Yes, वहाँ पे gravity लगा के रखा जरूर है. Gravity well. It is gonna be really difficult for John Wick to pull it out. Oh, look at that. Once again, Astra, very calm and composed actually. Doing a wonderful job. John Wick is so low on HP, that even a single bullet is gonna take him down. And that is it. Second round on board for Team Elements. 0-2. It was kind of a force buy coming up from Exofurious in last round. Once again, अगर यहाँ पे बात करेंगे, there is gonna be a full buy coming up from the side of Exofurious. And this time it is gonna be kind of tough क्योंकि bonus round आते हुए Elements की तरफ से. But Bunty, oh, already going on with that Empress. But Savage finally पहला kill लेते हुए एक player को take down करने में कामयाब जरूर हुए थे. But Von Vic, oh, is surviving on so low HP. Anandita, on the other hand, takes Bunty down from behind. And now the biggest player, the heavy hitter, the beast, has been taken down. It's still a 3 versus 3 situation. The players of Element, they are kind of in a troubled situation. Astra putting up a smoke, very crucial smoke, I must say. The B side is completely open. But the problem is they might not have, or they might not understand that it is completely open. But oh, look at that. KJ, Jimmy Monster takes him down. Oh no, the reload coming at the worst possible timing. So Monster एक प्लेयर को टेक डाउन करने में कामयाब हो चुके हैं. Yuan Vic, oh, spots the player, but oh, Astra was surviving literally on 2 HP and gets 2 kills on 2 HP. Astra saves the day. It is once again Team Elements who are gonna win this round somehow. 0-3. And Elements, they are somehow keeping their calm, keeping their composure. and they are looking wonderful as well. That was not their round to win. Astra was on 2 bits of health, and somehow, somewhere, he managed to get that very crucial kill out there. फाइनली इस बार एक ही तरफ जाते हुए हमें दिखे जरूर है. आई एम सरप्राइज टू सी दैट तेज इज प्लेइंग सो बैक, क्योंकि अगर तेज का वॉल वहाँ पे पुट डाउन किया जाता तो मे बी ये जो पुश आ रहा था इसके ऊपर थोड़ा टाइम जरूर मिलता. सैवेज ऑन द एंड इज इन सच अ गुड पोजीशन. ओह दैट फ्लैश इज परफेक्ट एंड दैट रन इट बैक इज गोना बी managing to get a kill for themselves, but Sova, oh, he spots 2 players out there, and that is going to be an issue. And Bunty, he's on fire right now. Bunty doesn't want to stop. काफी अच्छी पोजीशन, एक और प्लेयर को स्पॉट करेंगे, टेक डाउन करेंगे. यॉन विक आखिरी खिलाड़ी यहाँ पे बचते हुए, काफी लो एचपी पे. बंटी यहाँ पे तीसरा किल भी सिक्योर कर लेंगे, एंड इट इज टीम एलिमेंट्स टू गेट द 4th राउंड ऑन बोर्ड एज वेल. काफी अच्छा स्टार्ट मैं कहूँगा टीम एलिमेंट्स की तरफ से. टीम एक्सोफ्यूरियस ऑन द अदर हैंड, दे आर डूइंग अ वंडरफुल जॉब ऑफ कीपिंग दिस गाइज इन चेक. दे आर नॉट लेटिंग देम रन along, they are not letting them do as anything as they want, and they are putting a lot of pressure onto them. इस बार there is a rotation coming up, 4 players stacking up inside. Oh, that is gonna be an issue. But look at that, Bunty with such a great entry. On weak को यहाँ पे टेक डाउन कर लिया गया है. मिड पे सैवेज एंट्री लेने की कोशिश जरूर कर रहे हैं. दैट इज एन इको राउंड कमिंग अप फ्रॉम देम एज वेल. सैवेज एक काफी अच्छी पोजीशन पे, प्लेयर को स्पॉट जरूर करेंगे, बट ओह ही इज द सोलो प्लेयर इन द साइड. बाकी 5 प्लेयर यहाँ पे अंदर आने की कोशिश में, बट डैडी यहाँ पे सैवेज को टेक डाउन करने में कामयाब हो चुके हैं. 3 खिलाड़ी हमें मिड में आते हुए दिख जरूर रहे हैं. ए से B की तरफ rotate, and now they'll need to retake this side. 3 versus 4. Punisher going on. Dry picking is something you must not do. Underestimate नहीं करना चाहिए, but Astra को यहाँ पे टेक डाउन करने में कामयाब जरूर होते. ओ जिमी मॉन्स्टर को भी यहाँ पे टेक डाउन कर लिया गया है. Ananta, last player standing, done his job. Oh, look at Sova, but he's still going on like that. Oh, just giving away his life, I guess. आखिरी खिलाड़ी यहाँ पे बचे हुए हैं बंटी, एंड he'll need to save, he'll need to wait for the spike to explode. There's no other choices. Well played. Anandita got those 3 crucial kills. 3 प्लेयर के हाथ से यहाँ पे गन निकालने में कामयाब हो चुके हैं. Now they'll need to reinvest once again onto those weapons. Elements going along a little crazy, maybe overconfident, I guess. But the players of Team Exofurious, they are looking calm and composed.
Turret out.
एक काफी अच्छी स्कोर लीड जरूर यहाँ पे एलिमेंट्स ने बना ली है. 0-5 is what the score line tells right now. Oh, Savage missing those crucial shots. यहाँ पे 2 नाइफ पेस्ट कर लिए गए, 2 की नाइफ उनके पास. बाकी बचे, they have invested 1 more ult out here. 3 ult यहाँ पे इन्वेस्ट किए गए from the side of Team Elements, and still I must say, still there is another ultimate which is invested. 4 ults invested, every ult. So much. That's funny. They were waiting for the heal, but no worries. 4 ult invest करने के बाद they got the spike planted. The players of Team Elements, they are looking way more confident right now. Daddy, Astra को यहाँ पे टेक डाउन करने में कामयाब हो चुके हैं. काफी अच्छा हेल्प आया, I must say. Bunty, oh, Daddy takes 4 kills of himself. He is up for an ace, and there's 1 player detained as well. The last player has been detained. What is gonna be the plan of action out here? There is gonna be a defuse coming up as well. Oh, GB Monster! यहाँ पे डिटेन होने के बाद भी 2 प्लेयर को टेक डाउन करने में कामयाब हो चुके हैं. एक्सो फ्यूरियस, boy, oh boy, finally getting their first round. 4 ult इन्वेस्ट किए गए थे from the side of Elements. 4 different ults coming up from them, and still Exo Furious with use of 2 ults managed to get the round back. Punisher. हाथ में जस्ट लिए खड़े हो. Yonvik is in such a good position, but still, oh, Daddy manages to take Savage down, but Sova clears him back instantly. आनंदिता यहाँ पे बंटी को टेक डाउन करने में कामयाब. ओ पनिशर हाथ में जज जरूर है. पोजीशन काफी अच्छी है, बट लॉन्ग रेंज जाने की कोशिश. एनजीबी मॉन्स्टर उनको टेक डाउन करने में कामयाब जरूर हो जाएंगे, बट स्पाइक यहाँ पे ड्रॉप कर लिया गया है. सो मॉन्स्टर इज इन गुड पोजीशन. Yonvik, there's a good crossfire setup from the side. Oh, miss coming up. Astra given a free kill. Oh, but Yonvik for player को टेक डाउन करने में कामयाब. जी मस्त वाले to clutch it out in 1 versus 2. Make it a 1 versus 1. It is a KJ versus KJ. Oh, wrong timing to take down that turret. And Anandita takes Jimmy Monster down.
Look like us, but are
It's
they
2
us? I have so many
rounds
questions.
in the favor of Exofurious. काफी अच्छा गेम एक्सोफ्यूरियस की तरफ से आते हुए. आखिरी पिछले 2 राउंड में काफी अच्छा इम्प्रूवमेंट उनकी तरफ से आते हुए हमें देखने को मिला. This is putting a lot of pressure onto the economy of Team Elements. Savage के पास फिर से एक बार इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए पैसा नहीं है. All the other players from Team Elements they have gone in for a buy. Savage को यहाँ पे थोड़ा पैसिव खेलना पड़ेगा. Maybe they can bait him, but oh, Bunty once again. यहाँ पे कंट्रोलर को टेक डाउन कर लिया गया है early on, so that does mean there are not gonna be no more smokes coming up. Oh, Savage with a sheriff in hand. Sova takes one more player down. Oh, but look at that. Look at that. The Empress is up in action, and that is gonna be a huge, huge issue here. So Monster on the other hand. Have Monster on the other hand. हाथ में slow orb लिए just waiting, and look at that. The players of Element they are going crazy. बंटी एक और प्लेयर को टेक डाउन करने में कामयाब. फाइनली बंटी को यहाँ पे शांत किया गया. Astra, the last player, Punisher has been taken down as well. 6th round coming up from the side of Team Element. Bunty with a total of 12 kills, leading the team like crazy right now. By far the most experienced player in this team is gonna be Savage. And we can see him at the bottom of the scoreboard as well. The new players are definitely crazy. They're doing a wonderful job as well. Finally, Daddy this time. Oh no, Daddy. Oh, फिर से एक बार एक और प्लेयर को टेक डाउन करने में कामयाब. पनिशर टेक्स डाउन बंटी. दैट इज ग्रेट. सोवा यहाँ पे पनिशर को टेक डाउन करने में कामयाब जरूर हुए थे, बट ओ लुक एट दैट वंस अगेन द हेलफायर कमिंग अप. एस्ट्रा एक और प्लेयर को टेक डाउन करने में कामयाब. सेकंड प्लेयर को भी टेक डाउन करेंगे, बट देयर आर 2 प्लेयर्स कमिंग फ्रॉम बैक. इज गोना बी इनफ. नो इट इज Yonvik who is gonna take Astra down. Third round on board from Exofurious. Savage finally getting its hands on that operator. Kind of a weird buy coming up from Elements, right? Ek op. Bunty with that Phantom. Sova with that Vandal. 2 sheriffs coming up on Astra and Jimmy Monster as well. Oh, Savage. Savage. That was a very beautiful shot. Finally, Savage looks like he's opening things up. On the other hand, Yonvik trying to get an aggressive peek, but nonetheless, oh, that is a great flash coming up. Savage takes one more player down. The defenses are down on the side, and Team Elements they are ready to plant the spike.
Shot done.
Jimmy Monster Punisher को टेक डाउन कर लेंगे. Daddy has been revived in mid. The information must have been relayed, but Yonvik oh एक और प्लेयर को टेक डाउन कर लेंगे. हो Jimmy Monster saves up, and now there's last player standing. That is gonna be Daddy. Oh, Astra playing in Daddy's smoke itself, and उनको भी टेक डाउन कर लिया जाएगा. Team Elements 7th round on board, and finally it's looking like the team of Team Elements is taking shape. Maybe a full buy coming up from them. I'm surprised अभी तक Exofurious की तरफ से हमें एक weird buy या फिर an anti-eco round आते हुए नहीं दिखा. This is once again kind of good buy coming up from them. 3 rifles and a Spectre. Sam Monster probably saving for the next round. 10 round already हो चुके हैं ये half पे. And Elements, they are in a huge lead. Kind of a slow approach coming up from Elements this time. Definitely they'll need to take it slow. Pace अभी तक काफी fast चल रहा था इस game का. There's a Swarm Grenade coming up. It is gonna be activated as well, but there's no one who is gonna be affected by that. Daddy काफी अच्छी position में जरूर है on the. Oh, one more player spotted, but Anandita, such a beautiful shot there. Oh no, but Savage with that operator in his hand takes Anandita down. Oh, Savage takes Yonvik down as well, and this opens up a lot of possibilities for the team. I don't know why Sage is rushing. Sage should not rush. एक player को take down करने में कामयाब जरूर हुए थे, but that put his team in a lot of pressure right now.
Spike planted.
Daddy and Punisher left to clutch it out. Punisher अच्छी पोजीशन में है, हाथ में ऑफ आई जरूर थी, but Jimmy Monster takes him down. Jimmy Monster finds another, takes Daddy down as well, and it is gonna be Team Elements with 8 rounds on board. Just one more round for this half to end, and the players of Exofurious, they'll need to think of something. This is not the time you want to go for that anti-eco round. Daddy with a Marshall in his hand. Anandita with a Sheriff. On the contrary, अगर Elements की बात करेंगे, they have a very good buy. And this is all the difference that is required for Team Elements right now. They are looking fine, they are looking composed, unless and until the players of Element do something different. Oh, Bunty, a काफी important shot. Savage एक double op setup आते हुए from the side of Team Elements. There's that Killjoy. He just placed the lockdown as well, and that lockdown is gonna cover the entire site. Oh, that is a good use of that incendiary coming up. Push को instantly रोक दिया गया है. 3 players remaining. Sage is still in towards A side. That is good shock dart as well. Anandita, क्या plan of action यहाँ पे रहेगा? बंटी उनको टेक डाउन करने में कामयाब हो जरूर चुके हैं, बट ओ बंटी गोइंग ऑन वे टू फॉरवर्ड. क्या आप एक और प्लेयर को टेक डाउन कर पाएंगे? नो ही वोंट. बंटी विद दैट मार्शल इन हिज हैंड, बट बंटी टेक्स हिम डाउन. डैडी हैज बीन टेकन डाउन. आखिरी प्लेयर यहाँ पे सेज हमें जिंदा बचे हुए दिखते हैं. डीगल का शेरिफ का इस्तेमाल could not connect. Savage trying to get some information as well. But nonetheless, bike is gonna be exploded. Oh, Sam Monster जाते जाते 2 प्लेयर को टेक डाउन करके गए जरूर है. That is the 9th score line right in front of us in the very first match of the day, ladies and gentlemen. It is Team Elements versus Exofurious, and the players of Team Elements, they are with a huge lead of 6 rounds, and now they are gonna be defending against the players of Exofurious. Exofurious 3 राउंड निकालने में सक्षम जरूर थे फर्स्ट हाफ में, but 3 rounds are not gonna be enough in the second round. अगर उनको यहाँ पे second round में जीतना है, they'll need to win 9 more rounds, and the players of Team Elements, they need 4 more rounds to win it out. मुश्किल जरूर रहेगा. बंटी एक अच्छी पोजीशन में. केजे का सेटअप ऑलरेडी ए साइड में हमें आते हुए दिख रहा है जरूर. And look at how passive the players of Elements are playing. They have given up the side completely. Savage यहाँ पे पुश करने की कोशिश में Savage को टेक डाउन कर लिया जाएगा, but oh Astra, they might not expect him there. Spots the player coming back. There's a huge mid presence coming up from the side of Team Exofurious. बंटी को भी यहाँ पे 37 HP पे टैग डाउन कर लिया गया है. बंटी has been forced to go back as well. Oh, there's Jimmy Monster inside. Jimmy Monster एक प्लेयर को टेक डाउन करेंगे. Astra 2 प्लेयर को टेक डाउन करने में कामयाब हो जाएंगे, and suddenly it's the players of Elements who are up in a lead. Oh, Astra एक और प्लेयर को टेक डाउन करने में कामयाब. Daddy, the last player standing, has been spotted. Bunty is in such a wonderful position. There are 2 players holding on against Daddy. Will he be able to do it? No, he won't, and it is gonna be Team Elements to win the first round of this half as well.
I'm the last thing they'll see
10 to
before
3 is
they
the
die.
scoreline, and the players of Elements, they have taken up a very huge round. The pistol round was very crucial, very important for the side of Team Exofurious, but they were not able to convert it out. And now they will be forced to go on an eco, and that is gonna be a huge, huge issue considering the players of Elements. They have gone on to buy Vandals this early in the game as well. Savage, he is gonna go on with that Marshall. Will he be able to convert some kills is the question. Jimmy Monster, he has that Spectre in his hand. He is in good position as well. Bunty हाथ में Vandal जरूर है, and this is gonna be huge if you look at how forward Savage is pushed. They have some information. The Sova has pushed on forward as well. Oh, Bunty takes two players down. But Jimmy Monster, oh, he brings the gun back. He doesn't let the players have the gun. Oh, that is such a clever move coming up from the side of Team Elements. This is something they might not expect. And Savage takes Punisher down through that smoke. Everything that could have gone better has gone wrong for the side of Team Exofurious. The last player standing is gonna be none other than Daddy. He has been spotted. He has a Spectre in his hand, but Sova comes in forward, takes him down as well. 11th round on board for the side of Team Elements. Very good play coming up from them. They did not let their enemies get that weapon as well. The single ray of hope that they had. Two more rounds for Elements to convert this. Astra पहले प्लेयर को टेक डाउन करने में कामयाब. बंटी दूसरे प्लेयर को टेक डाउन करने में कामयाब हो जाएंगे. They have spotted other player as well. Look at the push coming up. एक और प्लेयर को टेक डाउन करने में कामयाब.
Enemy remaining.
Savage is going on crazy. एक प्लेयर को टेक डाउन कर देंगे. Punisher is the last player standing. He is playing up with that run it back. Spotted, taken down, and there is a push coming up from both of these sides. Sova is playing slow. Punisher एक प्लेयर को टेक डाउन करने में कामयाब हो जरूर चुके थे, but the spike is still dropped. He need to get his hands on that spike. Punisher still waiting to get the information. Jimmy Monster and Bunty are the two players surviving. Oh, Jimmy Monster playing it cool right now. Look at the crosshair placement, but Punisher takes him down. It is 1 versus 1 against two duelists. It is gonna be really difficult. The players of Elements are looking crazy right now. They are in a wonderful position as well. What is gonna be the plan of action out here
30
is
seconds
the main
left.
question. But Exofurious, they are in such a wonderful position. Punisher, now he has given away the sound. They know exactly where he is. They are gonna be trying to push him as well. But oh, look at that Punisher. He's gotten the sound cue. Oh, he converts it. He converts the very crucial kill, and that's a 1 versus 4 clutch, my friends. That's a 1 versus 4 clutch coming up from Punisher, the heavy hitter, the duelist of the team. Team Exofurious playing wonderfully right now. Savage is in good position. Has that operator in his hand as well. Anandita playing it slow, doesn't go crazy, but oh, Savage. First kill converted. यहाँ पे the biggest problem is the KJ being taken down, but oh, Bunty को भी यहाँ पे take down कर लिया जाएगा. John Wick doing a wonderful job. The players of Exofurious, they are looking crazy right now. If they win this round, they are gonna be putting up Elements into an eco round. It's gonna be 3 players. Savage is in good position, but look at the eye. John Wick takes 2 players back. The last player is gonna be Astra. LK all along, but taken down by Punisher. Ace denied for John Wick though. But 5th round on board for the side of Exofurious. Elements now have to go in for a complete eco round. Exofurious, they're doing such a wonderful job right now. काफी अच्छा gameplay Exofurious is gonna end out here. Exofurious with very crucial situation. 51 seconds, my friends, is what this guy has in his arsenal. That's all. He has two flashes, a wall, and a molly as well. That cage's turret is gonna be a huge problem.
30
Oh,
seconds
they
left.
did not spot him. But the alarm bot did, and now they know exactly where he is. The hunt has now begun. Four players will be rushing on towards him. Two from back, two from front. Oh, that is a good use of that flash as well. Oh, that is a teammate coming up.
10
Punisher एक
seconds
और player
left.
को take down करने में कामयाब. But will he be able to take another? Yes, he takes down Astra, but 3 seconds. It's all done and dusted right now. And the players of Elements are gonna be
Defenders
winning the first.